actual price of this is 26,000.
Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Rishti. You are watching Rishti Maheshwari's vlogs. So today I got something that makes my home more clean and my cleaning more smart. But wait, the most shaking part is not about this gadget. It is how I bought it, because I bought it from Flipkart Big Billion Day sale. What exactly the price of this smart cleaner and how much price I got it. I'm a Flipkart Gold member, so the price what I paid for this smart cleaner will gonna blow your mind. इस deal को भी बताऊंगी, but trust me, you don't want to miss it. So let's quickly get into what exactly in this boxes.
It says the Forbes Smart Clean with home mapping, and it has a robotic vacuum cleaner with dry vacuum and wet vacuum. So like पोछा भी मारेगा ये and झाड़ू भी मारेगा, both things. So it picks up to 99.9% of your dust particles. So let's try and test how much the particles it gonna pick up. It has a multi-surface cleaning, works on tiles, marble, carpets and wooden flooring. So we'll test them all, how exactly it works. Rest coming to its packaging. So its total price on the package written as 26,000 rupees. So how much I paid it, stay tuned for that, because I'm going to reveal how much the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale prices and how much the gold members got the benefit.
Gonna control with smart apps. So if you are outside and you want to clean your home, so it gonna do that as well. So it has anti-fall sensor, so it won't going to fall anywhere because it has the sensor कि भाई मुझे यहाँ नहीं गिरना है. अक्कल भी है इसमें. So voice control works, and it can work through your Google Home or Alexa, so you can connect it and it gonna work from there as well. And it is specially designed for Indian dust conditions. So let's unbox this, what's inside. Check it out. So it has this manual, comes with 1 year warranty. First thing is the smart cleaner, the Forbes smart cleaner. It's literally looking sleek and very premium, if you can see it clearly. And another one, it's charging dock. Rest are the accessories. So one by one, let's unbox this and see how it works. This is the mop, and it will come with another mop. So if you need to discard this one, so you could use another one.
As you can see, we have just started mapping the floor, and this smart cleaner is now exploring every corner in my home. And the coolest part is it can jump up to 2 inches. You can track exactly where it is going live on your phone. So it's really amazing. It have divided my house into different zone. How cool is that? Honestly, the best part, while it's cleaning my home, I can sit back and do my office work side by side. It's total a game changer for the busy people like me. So just to see like how well it performs, so what I did is I put down some cereals, spices, rice and other dust on the floor just to check how well it could run, and in one go how much dust it could collect. So it's really make me shocked to see that it could clean my home so nicely.
आई नो अब आप किस चीज़ का वेट कर रहे हो कि भाई दृष्टि फाइनली बता दे ये लिया कितने में है. So, as I told you, the actual price of this is 26,000. So being a Flipkart Gold member, I got the access to see the actual price of this before the sale going live day before. And the price listed there was 12,999, and additionally I got HDFC card benefits that the total price comes out to be 10,892. So the actual price I received is 10,892. If you are also interested in this smart cleaner, I want to know how exactly from where you can buy from lesser discount in price, so you can comment down me below. I'll definitely find out the place. Like you want me to give its more review videos, or also you want a step-by-step procedure for this smart cleaner, so I'm going to do that also. You whatever your queries are, so you can put it down on comment, and also just tell me
What exactly the biggest challenge you find during this Diwali to clean your home?